Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how to buy a domain on Shopify store and how to connect a domain on our Shopify store. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you all step by step. So let's see on my screen. And in this tutorial I don't buy a domain on Shopify. I have already buy a domain on Cname, so I just need to connect our domain on our Shopify store. I just copy our domain and going to our Shopify store, then go to just shop domain section, just click buy a domain. If you wanna buy a domain, just click on here, then search your domain, then you can easily connect. Automatically Shopify will automatically connect your domain, but right now we are connect existing domain. So just put our domain name on here, then click the next button. So when you click next button, then you will see some instruction on here, verify correctly. Follow this instruction, just click on here, then you will see the follow third-party domain connection. Here is a video available how to connect a third-party domain as well, and just check out this video, then you will see how to connect third-party domain. Now I'm just going to verify domain connection. So what I can do now, just copy from the name @ and we need to change our IP address. The current IP address 192, they are automatically check this. The required one is this one. Just copy from here, then we need to update this Cname as well. Just going to again on our existing, I just copy from our IP address here, copy, then going to our domain, just click the manage button, then you will see the advanced DNS, then on here you will see the Cname record, and click on here name server, so on the advanced DNS we need to update two things on here. So one is Cname record and the another one is a record on here. Just click on here, then we need to update this a record, and our host name is A, and just make it on here. Just go to again on Shopify, then we already copied this IP, just put on here, then click on here, then type shops.myshopify.com, click the a record, then you will see put your IP address, just click the 30, click the checkout the save button, and also on click on here the save button, add a new record name. We need to add Cname record. Cname request host is www. Just type shops.myshopify.com. Select detail is 30 minutes. Let's click the check mark, the save button. Now you can check this a record on mydns.com. Search on Google my DNS checker, then you will see what my DNS. Click the verify are you human, just copy your URL, then put on here, then search a record, click on the search button. This is not set up right now. Again click the Cname record, just click the search. So you see we already updated shops myshopify.com. Now what I can do now, just click the name server, just click to search. So on this domain there is no name server right now. So here it is, we see our Cname record is successfully updated on here. Now going to our Shopify store, just click the verify domain connection. After verifying domain connection, then we will see our domain is successfully on here and SSL is pending. Just click on here, then we can make this domain on our primary domain. Change the domain type, select the primary domain, redirect domain, alias domain. We can select the primary domain, then select the change button, back. So this is now, this domain is primary domain, and we can also make this www primary domain. SSL is pending. So after SSL is installed, then we will, when I visit on here on this domain, then we will see on here, when I refresh on here, we will see our Shopify store is coming on here. So we are successfully installed our domain on our Shopify store. Just we are waiting for SSL certificate on our Shopify store, and SSL is pending. So we are just waiting for SSL pending on here. So right now we are seeing SSL is pending. So now we can use our old domain. So we need to use this domain as well. Primary domain. Just select save button. So now our website is not still this domain on here. When I refresh on here, you see our domain is still on here. But on here, when I refresh on here, this is not works perfectly. So our domain is successfully redirected to our Shopify domain. So after SSL is successfully installed, then we will make our main domain on here. So right now SSL is successfully installed. Just we have visited here. Now when I refresh on here, you will see our domain is successfully installed and SSL is successfully installed. It's take up to 30 minutes. I think this video is helpful for you. If you like this video and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos, and I promise you will never be disappointed. See you on my next video. Have a great day.